Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing? Come on in. Okay, it's another real Louis Vuitton Murakami unboxing. I know, I've gone crazy, y'all. I fell down the Louis Vuitton rabbit hole. Rabbit. Just come back. Just come on back. Okay, it's not even Easter time, but I'm down that rabbit hole, y'all. I'm going to open first. This is from my dear friend Candi from Candi Sweet Love for LV over on Instagram. So I've had this for a while. This was shipped May 22, but it took a while because it had to come ground because these particular items can only be shipped ground. So if you know anything about shipping and stuff, you have an idea. I probably put it in the thumbnail. Who knows? Who knows? From Candi Sweet Love for LV, she has a YouTube channel as well as a Instagram. And on Instagram, she became a reseller and she sells all authentic items, and she consigns for people. If you have designer bags that you want to sell, reach out to her via Instagram, and she'll be happy to take your items if y'all can come to an agreement. And also too, mainly she drops her new drops on Saturdays, the new merchandise that just comes in on Saturdays, and on Sundays it's the overflows of that, and then on Wednesdays a lot of time it lends to seeing those again, whatever is left, because they go fast over there. And then she gets to a lot more SLGs and things like that. She also does auctions, which is, an auction, but she has to call it something different over on Instagram. So they had a auction of these little items here. Ta-da! They were very well packaged in this, and then in this, and then that box, and then the paper around it. So this is Perfume. So she had the collection. Louis Vuitton, I'll put a picture here, where you can curate your own little box, and I think it's like $345 or something like that, where you have 4 perfumes, I believe, you can choose. And so they were auctioning them off, each one individually. And so the first one that came up was this one, The Spell on You. And I really, because the Louis Vuitton Murakami perfumes for the cherries and the cherry blossoms are both in this scent. Okay. Oh, that's a nice smell. It smells a little powdery, but like not a bad powdery, like kind of in the makeup realm powdery. If you're a makeup enthusiast, it kind of smells like that. I don't know what the notes are. I'll put the notes up here. Actually, not bad. That's not bad. Now what I have found, I really have to give those a chance to dry down in order to really find out, because a lot of times off the get-go, I'm like, ooh, this is nasty. But then later on in the day, I'm like, oh, what is that? Oh, So this one is called I should have showed you before I opened it. Étoile Filante. I didn't take French. But, ooh, out of the bottle. I'll put over here what the notes are. Now, I think I got these for $70 each, 70 or 75 each, which you divide that by the 4 perfumes here. So it was less than you would have paid for the whole thing had you bought the whole thing. So I was okay with that. It was, just a few dollars less. Oh, this is very subtle. The Spell on You. Very subtle. It reminds me of just like a soft powder, like you powder your face or you powder yourself. But very pleasant. Very pleasant. I can't tell. It's really not florally to me anyway, at least not right now. Okay. This has a clean smell. This one, yeah. This one's kind of more what my natural wheelhouse is. It smells like more of a fruit base, citrus base with a clean smell, like you just came out of the shower smell. That's kind of what it reminds me of right now. I'll do the rest of the unboxing video, and then we'll come back to it. Remind me, yell at me through the thing. Now this is a Murakami piece, Louis Vuitton Murakami piece. However, it's from the secondary market, so yes, I completely paid over list. So this item is from StockX, and I'll put the name here. It's a website which I had seen it before. I've seen it through my pay apps and stuff. I thought, let me check it out. Well, they have lots of the Louis Vuitton Murakami collab pieces, but they're over it. And if you're not aware of the site, it kind of runs like eBay. So you have multiple sellers. So you have a listing for a certain item, and then under the listings, you have several sellers who are in there. You can do a bid system. So you can say, hey, I want to bid on this item. This is how much I want to pay for it. Y'all have 3 days, 30 days to decide, and you leave your payment in your profile so they could charge your payment. And what they do is they will send out your notification to all of these sellers, and then whoever wants to grab the bid can grab the bid and sell you the item. Now everything has to be authentic. Everything has to be brand new, and everything goes to StockX, and then StockX evaluates it. They also evaluate it before you post it on there through pictures and stuff, and then they ship it to you. Unless they're an express shipper that they have credibility through StockX and they allow you to direct ship to them. So then that means, StockX hasn't verified it in person. However, they have verified it via pictures and things like that. So everything's supposed to be new also too. So you don't know what piece you're going to get. You don't know who the seller is. You don't know if you're going to get a box, a dust bag, anything like that. That's not required. So that's a little kind of because there's sometimes where I would pay a little bit more if all those things were included. But it's just kind of one of those things you just have to say, okay, well, if it's a new item, and you just kind of go with it. So this is my first foray into it. There are some other items I'm looking at, but kind of depending on how this goes depends on whether I'm going to try for those or not. Okay, so let's see. This is how this person shipped it. So the shipping actually came directly from StockX. It says StockX, Rose Park Boulevard, Detroit, Michigan. And here's some bubble wrap. And here's the item. So I got no box. Oh, but it does have a dust bag. It does have a dust bag. And what does this say? It's just stocking information. I'll show you what it is. I'm sure it's just their stock, like information. But, okay. I got a dust bag. Here's the dust bag. Ah. Look at that. Can you tell what it is? So here, look. It says verified by StockX. So that means they looked at it. They said it's an authentic piece. And there's a buyer's guarantee that it's an authentic piece. And if you have any problems or whatever, you go back to StockX and they stand behind every sale. So I felt comfortable with all of that. So here it is without the X on there. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. It's the panda. I wanted the panda. I would have loved the pochette accessoire. Is that what it is? Here is a place for card there. You have also in there, and then you have a place back here. But isn't he cute? I fell in love with him. I love him. He's like right there. I mean, the cherries are number one. And then the cherry blossoms are him. I think he's right there with the cherry. He's just so cute. I love him. He's got personality, and the cherry blossom. You know, they're all on just different realms with me. But oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely love it. Okay, yeah. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I'll be buying more. There are two other things that I really want that are on there. Actually, there's, well, two and a half. There's three things that I have been looking at, but two things right now that are the top. The third thing, I'm like, okay, but it's cute. Here, let's see how it looks. So the quality too, they're also looking at the quality, making sure that you're not getting something, that has pop stitches, that it's authentic. So I feel like this is brand new. It just didn't come um, from LV. I'll put up here or down here how much I paid for it. But I love it. He's so cute. He's so cute. Ain't he cute? Ain't he cute? All right, so today I have this from StockX, and I have these perfumes from Candi Sweet Love for LV, her Instagram resale shop, and yeah, this is the Étoile. I don't know. Yeah, here. I'll put it down here, and then this is the Spell on You. I like both of them. Fortunately, yay. This one was a gamble because I thought I had smelled this one before. I thought I've had a sample before. But I really like that. It's nice and soft. And then this one would be one I would wear. Actually, both of them, but mainly this one is one that I would wear out when we go to the baseball fields because it's fresh smelling. So usually more of the citrus items, the fruity items, but not a fake fruity smell, but authentic fruity smell, and a citrus smell and a clean smell. When you're blending with your perspiration and things like that, especially like right now, today's high is 96, and right now we are currently 95. The lowest we'll get to down, which is probably like midnight or so, 1 or 2 in the morning, is 76. So this is something I would wear. Wouldn't be afraid to wear out when we go see our grandkids play ball, or just I knew if I was going to be out in the elements, the hot elements. And this one, I would be okay in the summertime wearing this, but this feels more like soft, so it smells more soft to me, and it gives me more of that that smell. Gives me more of a romantic smell. Is really what it does, like a light-hearted romantics. Like a date night. Where you just kind of want to have a little nice dinner with the hubs. Yeah, that's kind of what I envision. I would wear that. Alrighty, thank you very much, StockX. Thank you so much, Candi, Sweet Love for LV. If you haven't followed her on Instagram or YouTube, please do so. Tell her I sent you, and try out StockX. So far today's unboxing was a hit. If you have any questions about StockX or what have you, leave them in the comments below. Email me. Actually, Instagram is probably the best way to do it. I check that a little bit more often, or it's a little bit easier. Other than that, thank you so much, Bean Beauties, for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for all of your love and your support. I greatly appreciate it. Help me reach 2K by subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, by hitting that like button, because then that pushes my content out more. YouTube thinks that you're getting some valid content here. Also, too, if you comment, when you make the more comments that I have, then that's more viewer interaction, and YouTube likes that. And it also helps me get to know you. So if there's a panda bear, I think there's a panda. There is a panda. Put a panda down. Let me know that you made it to the end. That way I can see you and know that you're here, and I can thank you properly for your support. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all so much. Bye-bye.